told, Deepalya means Deepo ka Alay. I see from the team of Deepalya over here and from the management committee that everybody's face is shining. It shows that here the Deepalya is there, and that is the energy which takes this Deepalya Institute to heights. When we talk about the founders, 7 founders, they have done a miracle 45 years ago. I was just going through my RPWD Act 2017, where I was watching the provisions made for our differently abled people. And I found that Deepalya had the vision long back in 1979, and the vision what they have made in their objective is as good as same what RPWD Act 2017 has been made it. So basically, what I observed, what Mr. Arun has told, compassion, I also observed one good word that is called sensitivity. I found the sensitivity makes the founders, the team of the Deepalya, to take this Deepalya Institute to heights. And coming to Dr. K.C. George, which giving me a proud moment to invite over here as a guest of honor, and I'm really thankful to Deepalya and to Dr. K.C. George. For me, in my 34 years of career, in 2010, when I joined social sector, that is National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development, I have taken a U-turn in my life. I was nothing knowing about what is social sector, what is the Ministry of Women and Childhood, nothing like that. Dr. K.C. George in my life is a guru who has taught me how to serve the society. And from that day till date, God has given me a lot of opportunity, and He is giving me a challenge to serve the society. And I am highly thankful to God that He has given me a guru like Dr. K.C. George, that He has taught me how to serve the society without any, with sensitivity and compassion. I feel and I pray that everybody should get guru like Dr. K.C. George. And for Deepalya, I find that he is the right person at right place. Definitely he will be proving better, and Deepalya will be benefited with his services, with his compassion, with his commitment, with his dedication, with his vision. As far as our ISLRTC is concerned, where ma'am was telling any course is to be included.
They have an holistic approach of through life cycle covering the total family. Early childhood, youth, mothers, parents, and maybe providing even health, education, recreation, support, everything. I am very proud that I had a privilege of a long association with Deepalya, being in the field of social sector, and I had a proud privilege of even working and interacting with Mr. K.K. Matthew. He was very much there, who was a dedicated visionary, and I think what he shaped, what he really made this institution, the legacy is being preserved, and it has expanded very progressively over the years. 47 years for a small institution, starting with 5 children and now covering hundreds and so on in 11 states, is very creditable. I think this outreach which has been extended is something which is very creditable, because I think you can't help only children, you have to help the family to give them that kind of a scaffolding that they can.
और जब से मैं दीपालय में ज्वाइन किया है, जब भी मैं बच्चों से बात करता हूँ, उनकी प्रॉब्लम सुनता हूँ, तो मुझे उनकी तकलीफ़ों को बस सुनता नहीं, उनमें जीता हूँ कि वो क्या सोच रहे हैं इस समय, उनको किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है। वो कहते भी नहीं है तो मैं एहसास करता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं उनके बीच में रहा हूँ। यहाँ रहते हुए मैंने बहुत अफसरों को जीता भी है। कई बच्चों को अपने आगे से बढ़ाने के लिए मैंने कि मेरे से और तरक्की करें। कई बच्चों को सरकारी नौकरी भी लगी है, और काफ़ी बच्चों ने खेल कूद में और कल्चरल एक्टिविटी में स्टेट एंड नेशनल लेवल में भी भाग लिया है। और हमेशा मुझे एक पल याद आता है अचीवमेंट, 2019 की बात है, एक इवेंट हुआ था हौसला इन 2019 निपसेट में हुआ था हौसला, जिसमें कि हमारे बच्चों ने फुटबॉल में विनर रही थी 21 टीमों को हराकर। और जो हमारे सम्मानीय डॉक्टर केसी जॉर्ज सर हैं, उस समय वहाँ के वो जॉइंट डायरेक्टर थे। उनका उस इवेंट में बहुत बड़ा योगदान था कि, और उसके बाद आज तक जब सर वहाँ से रिटायर हो गए, आज तक वो इवेंट कभी नहीं हुआ। और बच्चे मुझसे कहते भी हैं कि हौसला कब आएगा, कब होगा। तो मैंने पता किया, लेकिन वो आज तक दोबारा हुआ नहीं। तो सबको मैं थैंक यू करना चाहता हूँ। दीपाल्या ने सिर्फ मुझे खाना और शिक्षा नहीं दी है, बल्कि दीपाल्या ने मुझे पहचान दी, एक ज़िंदगी दी और एक सपना दिया।
Good evening, everyone. Respected dignitaries on dais, some of whose names I have grown up hearing while entering my social sector journey, like ma'am and people. The 7 founding members who I equate to the Saptarshis, the 7 great sages whose wisdom and contribution is till now considered yeoman. Sir, I really applaud the 7 great. I know. Very productive years in government. Today is my first year when I underwent for cancer surgery. I have recovered from it, and what better gift? A big round of applause, please.
I invited her, understanding she is a cancer survivor, but she has great willpower. She has great power to overcome that. And is that all that we want? And good day, ma'am. All of us who are sitting here will be extending our prayers to you. Nothing will happen to you.
Next, we have Dr. Adarsh Sharma, felicitated by Chapuchan Bai. Our guest of honor,